Hello viewers, Mozilla is updating how Firefox manage downloads in private browsing mode. This change is expected to arrive version 143. Right now the stable version is 142 and the nightly preview is already at version 144. At the moment, if you download a file, especially something like PDF, while using private browsing, Firefox deletes it as soon as you close the private windows. This was added a privacy feature making sure that anything you download in private mode doesn't stay on your device. However, this caused confusion. May user didn't realize the files were being deleted and later couldn't find them in their downloads folder. Because of this navigate feedback, Mozilla has decided to adjust the feature in the nightly version under setting general downloads. There is now a new option: delete files downloaded in private browsing when all private windows are closed. By default, the option is turned off, meaning downloads will stay on your device unless you choose to enable it. This way, users who want privacy can still have it, while others who prefer keeping their downloads won't lose them automatically. This new setting helps reduce confusion and give user more control according to the Mozilla. It should arrive in the next stable release version 143, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.